Hi, my name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone, www.koffeeone.com.au. Welcome back to our videos on our super aromatics. Today I'm going to demonstrate on the Nuova Simonelli Talento how to make a latte and a cappuccino. And it's as simple as you place your cup under the spout here for a latte. You press the button, doing the milk on the foam. Now it's doing your coffee. It's finished doing the latte. You can move your cup. It's ready to go again. You can now do your cappuccino. There you go, one cappuccino. If you'd like this machine in your office, in your club, your hotel, don't hesitate to give us a call, 02 9818 4677, or you can email us at sales@koffeeone.com.au, that's Koffeeone with a K, or you can go onto our website, www.koffeeone.com.au, and we'll certainly assist you to get this beautiful machine in your premises. Thank you very much. My name is Peter Walker. I'm the CEO of Koffeeone, www.koffeeone.com.au.